The Care Department will launch its pilot program in October. This new public safety department was created to improve response options when people call for help. Sometimes when people call 911, their incident may not always be urgent. Maybe it's a welfare check or a car prowl. Examples of what Seattle Police Chief Adrian Diaz describes as priority 3 level calls.
You have a person down call where the person is not committing a crime, could be highly intoxicated. You might end up needing medical assistance, might need other resources or services, but that is sometimes not, we end up having to go to it.
But there may be other people more suitable to respond to those calls for help instead of sending police or firefighters.
You cannot have enough police to get to all these calls. It's just too many. So we start there and then look at the call data, and then there's just this basic question: was police or fire required? Could somebody else get an equal response or sometimes even a better response?
Questions first responders and Mayor Bruce Harrell hope to answer with the new program's diverse response options.
We're going to respond to priority 3 and 4 call types.
An extra public safety resource Diaz says could support his department.
We know that staffing is a challenge. We know that we're having a hard time being able to reach all the, it's not usually the priority 1 calls that are an issue. Even priority 2 is not an issue. But once you start to get to priority 3, that does become some of an issue where there's a response time can take up to, an hour, if not longer than that.
CARE will base its work on evidence-based solutions. Emergency dispatchers, community-based public safety responders, and violence intervention specialists will all work together responding to community needs.
Is when I go on ride-alongs with co-response teams, often quickly we see it's the MHP, the mental health professional, that needs to speak, sometimes for 45 minutes to connect someone to services appropriately and make sure things are okay, and that officer is stuck. They can't move on and are just rendered there while the radio is going and calls are needed. So this is originally, the thought was just let's drive some efficiency here and make sure that people can get to more calls more effectively.
The $26.5 million in the mayor's 2024 budget proposal will support 13 additional staff members for the Care Department, as well as new technology. The mayor says he plans to present the proposal next week. Reporting in downtown Seattle, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.